it's me again, and I'm going to show you around because we're walking to go into our exercise kind of. It's very windy in here though, but we're going to Montjuic. Look at the sun. It's very nice. And look, that is the view in there. Some people are walking, and what a beautiful one. That's a cemetery over there. Yeah. It's lovely to see all these green trees around in here. So refreshing. As we keep going along in here, you can see a little bit more. And that is Montjuic, the Telefonica Tower. This was built when we have the Olympics here. And here we are in Montjuic. That tower is called Telefonica and also built just before the Olympics in here. And it's very windy, so you can hear this backgrounds in here. And this one, that's Sanjuri. This one we can't see it actually because of the trees, but we'll try to go along in here. And that is Sanjuri. This one, wherein big people, big singers are having concert in here. So what a lovely Telefonica tower. And yeah, as we go along, because we're going to find a spot for us to do our exercise. Because although it's very windy, but it's not very cold. Nice day, and look, the trees, it's really like Christmas tree in here, see, and that one, it's close to go inside, but it's nice just to explore the back. just come here to wind because it's very windy in here. And after our aerobics, I just went on around to find a tree to climb, to explore. I love doing this actually. It's the thing that, makes me happy. Not just only being a person, but, it's being me actually. If you can't see me on my mat doing those yoga poses, you can see me around doing this kind of stuff. And yes, it's fun. And I'm thinking I'm getting old and I can't do it, but well, have to try it and you're going to see it for yourself. What you can do, a challenge for yourself. And from then on you will be amazed of the results. And hanging myself in there is such fun, to be honest. And sometimes it's a little bit challenging. Sometimes it's a little bit weird. But those things, I'll just like, come on, just keep it going. And this is, try to do something for yourself. Try to do adventure things like going out, spending yourself with nature, connecting yourself, connecting your spirit, connecting your everything to nature. It's a kind of a little bit more relaxing. And yes, thank you all for keep coming and watching my videos, my vlogs. And yes, I hope to see you again on my upcoming vlogs. Thank you for watching. And I'm gonna see it's dinner time. Gotta get down in there and jump.